Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some delicious Greek pasta dish. So here are the ingredients that we'll be using. Let me just turn my camera around. We're going to be using 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. We're going to be using 1 carton of chicken broth, low sodium. We're going to be using some Greek Kalamata olives, which are, the different color olives. They're not green. They're like a reddish color. We're going to be using some spinach. We're going to be using some fresh chicken breast that I just cooked and diced up. So let's start adding our ingredients. First thing we're going to add is our chicken. Okay, add your chicken to the pot. This is 3 chicken breasts, cooked and diced. Next, we're gonna add our diced fire roasted tomatoes. Just add a whole can of them in there. Next, we're gonna add our pasta right into the pot. You don't even have to cook it. You're gonna cook it all together. Everything's gonna cook together. Okay. This is going to cook down once you add your chicken stock. Add a whole carton of chicken stock. Don't be afraid. Plus, this is low sodium chicken stock. Next, we're going to add our Kalamata olives. Okay. Just going to grab a spoon and drop some in there. Or fork. So you're going to add about a 1/2 cup of the Kalamata olives. I'm just eyeballing measuring, so you just put as many as you want in your dish. All right, that's enough. Next, we're going to be adding our spinach. Cut the spinach open. I'm going to add half a bag right now, and then when it gets done, I'm going to add another 1/2 bag. Maybe, possibly. Okay, we need to add our seasonings. Let me go grab the seasonings. So I went to the store and I invested in this seasoning. It's Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. And it's got a mixture of different seasonings like salt, black pepper, cornstarch, garlic, oregano, sugar, onion powder, spice extract, parsley, and 5 other seasonings. I guess they're like a secret seasoning sauce. So we're going to add this. So we're going to add the seasoning. We're going to add some fresh chopped onions. Well, they're not fresh, but they're chopped. Okay. And we're going to take this to the stove and cook it. And this is what it looks like when you start out. Okay, this is what it's starting to look like. But I'm going to add some more chicken broth to this meal because I feel like the noodles are still kind of hard, and I feel like I need to add some more chicken broth. So I've already added a 1/2 of a carton of chicken broth. I'm going to just add the rest of it and just let this cook down. Now I feel like there's enough chicken broth in there for the pasta to cook all the way down. So I'll let it cook, continue to cook. We'll come back and check on it. Okay, I decided to add some more garlic to this meal. I mean, not garlic. I did add garlic. I'm sorry. I added 2 teaspoons of garlic, and I'm adding some more spinach. I'm just going to stir it up. Let that spinach get a little melted. This meal is ready to plate up. Adding that extra carton of chicken stock was the best idea. So when you start out, you can do two cartons of chicken stock, or you can just do like I did. See how, because I doubled this recipe, I needed more chicken stock because I used a lot of chicken. Okay, this meal is ready to plate up. Okay, well, let's get ready to plate it up. Just gonna grab some pasta, chicken. Grab the pasta first. Okay, let's see if we can get some of the spinach in here. One of those Kalamata olives. Get one more piece of chicken. Some more spinach. See if I can get some of these fire roasted tomatoes in here. They must be at the bottom of the pot. I'm looking for them. They kind of just cook down into the food, to the meal. So next time, maybe add that last. Add the fire roasted tomatoes last. And then you add some Greek bread on the side, and you've got a meal. So I'm getting ready to try this meal. Let me just grab a fork. Turn the camera towards me. All right. All right, so let's try this meal. All right, let's get a little bit of the pasta on my fork. That's good. If you want to, you can sprinkle some parsley on it, just to add a little bit of, for appearance sakes. You can also add mushrooms to this meal. But the thing that makes it Greek, Greeks cook with a lot of garlic. So that's the main thing that makes this meal Greek, garlic. And the olives. Okay, I'm gonna thank you guys for tuning in to Ella Dishes It Out. Later on, I'm gonna make a Greek salad, and I'm gonna make something American with some chicken thighs. So that'll be tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, I took that same casserole that I made earlier today, and I put some Parmesan cheese on top, and then I put it in the oven and baked it for about 20 to 30 minutes. And this is what came out. And it tastes, oh my gosh, so delicious. Tastes awesome. You guys need to try it. All right, so thank you for tuning into my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. As always, bon appetit.